Hello FreeToFly, welcome to our channel. To explore the underwater world, subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see the unboxing of Tern TX. This is our new dive computer from Shearwater. We got this from the Purple Octopus, Mumbai. It comes with a protective casing. Let's start with the unboxing. It's a very nice case. Hopefully it gives some level of waterproofing. So here is our new dive computer. This is the brand new Shearwater Tern TX. The strap feels very good. I think it is made up of high grade silicone, and we will turn it on in some time. Let's see what else we have. So the Tern TX has wireless charging capability. So this is the wireless charging station dock, and we have the power cable. We also get a spare strap. Apart from that, we get a Shearwater sticker, and we get the Tern product information. I think this will lead to their PDF, which is available online. And again another sticker, so we'll keep them back. And here is another compartment. Over here we have the Shearwater dive computer manual. It comes handy, so we'll take a look at it later. And here we have a very nice hook, the Shearwater hook. And then we have the quality check from Shearwater. Now let's see the watch itself. It has 4 buttons, and it is very compact, lightweight, and comes very handy. Let's remove this protection cover. So the Shearwater Tern TX can be also used as a normal watch for daily basis. It has many dial modes, as we can see, and it also has adjustable brightness, which we can go from low to medium, high, which will, based on that, the battery life it will change. And it comes with a single charge will last for 20 hours. And then we have the menu here. We have the dive tools, dive, watch tools, alerts, logs. We can store up to 500 logs with Tern TX. It has the Bluetooth connection to connect to the app, and then settings and home. Let's connect this with the Shearwater app. With that, we can start looking into the dive computer. So we have 3 dial options. One is the digital option, and then we get an analog option, and then we get another form of digital option. So these 3 are the dial face for the watch. And then we have the light modes, high, medium, and low. For now, let me keep it in medium. And we get the multiple options in the menu button. Let's take a look at the watch tools that we have. So to select, we just have to click on the function button. We have alarms. We can set alarms on and off and it will vibrate. And we use these two buttons to navigate. It shows the functions over here. After that, we have the timer. If we want to do some laps in swimming, we can use this timer. And we have the stopwatch, which we can use underwater and stuffs. And after that, we have the flashlight, which is pretty decent light. And the watch face we have already seen. These are all the dive tools, watch tools that we get with this computer. And then we have alerts. We can set it to silent mode or vibrate. Right now it is in vibrate mode. Here we can see all our logs. Right now I don't have any logs, and we can delete the logs, restore them using these features. After that, we have the Bluetooth option. Once we select this, only then we can connect to the our ShearWater Cloud application. And then we have the settings and home button. We'll explore the settings. In the settings, we can set whether we are diving with air, or we can change the mode based on that, and we can configure which button does what, the function button to the compass. Next, we have the deco settings. In the deco settings, we can set various decompression algorithm. Right now it is set to the famous ZHL16C plus GF, and all decompression related settings are here. And this computer has an AI feature which can be turned on or off, which will give the details and deco stops and other metrics very much specific to your kind of diving, and it is very helpful when you dive with the transmitter. The Tern TX supports up to 4 transmitters, and right now the AI is turned off, and you can turn on or off the compass to conserve even more battery. And display, I want to display it everything in meters and the temperature in degree Celsius. And then you can set the watch settings to 12-hour format or 24-hour format, and the display settings and all that. After that, we have the general settings where you can set the user info. You can see the battery quick charge settings and those things. And this default is to reset everything back. And we have the system info where we can get the serial number, model number, current version, the AI version, all those details. So that's it. That's it with the settings. After that, we'll see the main feature, which is the dive mode of this. So for that, we have to select dive. Now it enters the dive mode. And this function gives your maximum altitude that you have dived so far, and the surface time, and it is showing 21% air, and the meters is 0 and Celsius is 0 degrees Celsius. The function button brings us the compass. Using the compass, we can have a show mode. Once you have that, the compass needle will always be here. And you can go to function again, and then you can mark a particular degree, and then you can say mark, and you can dive normally. And the moment you deviate, it is going to show you that how much you have to turn back to align to your initial course. And the compass can be calibrated in the settings page. Now we can unmark it using this and hide the compass needle. And there is another way of seeing the compass, that is we click the info button and then we get the traditional compass, which can also be used to mark and unmark our headings, and we get details of our configurations for tech dive and other features over here. Current temperature and battery is shown over here. We have other details also. Now we have connected our watch to the Shearwater Cloud application. I am using an Android device, and as you can see, the watch is connected to the smartphone via Bluetooth, and the firmware is getting updated. The watch had a firmware version of 27, and now I am uploading the new version, which is the latest version 29, and it's receiving via Bluetooth from the mobile application, and you can see the device is connected, and we can download the dives to this application for further logging, and our log details will be saved to the Shearwater Cloud, which comes free with this. Once you purchase the device, you get free access to this application, and we can customize, and there are our profile details and statistics, everything can be seen in one place. Now let's take a look at the application we have. So we can download the dive logs once we have the device connected, and over here we can see our stats. Since this is a brand new watch, we are not having any stats over here, and then we have the dive details over here, and we don't have anything currently right now. That's what we have in the application for now. Let's move back to the watch. Once the firmware got downloaded, it will start installing it, and we'll have to wait until the installation completes. That's it with this computer. It's a pretty good computer, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and support.